Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Nigerian News and Entertainment, the number one channel for entertainment news and celebrity gossip happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drop. Still on the Ultimate Love reality TV show, Kachi tells Rosie he could be flying to see her in Abuja every weekend after the show. The Ultimate Love reality television show seems to have sealed an impending marriage between Kachi and Rosie. Kachi came into the show as an underdog, as no one gave him the chance to be this outstanding among his fellow love guests. He has gradually won his heart into many Nigerians following the show. Really, Kachi is an underdog. He was telling Rosie the other night that if the cost of flying from Lagos to Abuja she's worried about, she should have no problem, as every weekend he will take care of it. That says don't judge the book by its cover. Most people underrated him. They don't know that Kachi is the underdog in the house. Wow. I'm really happy for Rosie. I only wish she won't let this opportunity slide, because I think Kachi is a nice guy, and from all indication I think he's well doing too. He's rich maybe. So guys, stay tuned for more Ultimate Love updates on this channel, Nigerian News and Entertainment. Stay blessed.